Breadth investors and holders are going to be rich in the next coming days because I am expecting aggressive pump from this very point all the way to the upside. And the reason is because Binance just lists Breadth on their futures platform. So Breadth USDTP, that is perpetual futures contract on Binance. What this also means is that this exchange is going to list Breadth on Base, that is Binance. And if Binance lists Breadth on Base, I am expecting between 1 to 2 months. It is a game changer. All of these in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Very importantly, in today's video, for all investors and Breadth holders, I am expecting significant pump to come into the market right away in the next few days or the maximum 2 months from now. So the best time to buy is right here, because if Binance can list Breadth on the perpetual futures contract, it means that they are going to definitely list this very coin or meme token on the spot exchange. And why Binance in this case? The reason is because Binance is the most used cryptocurrency platform in the world and by far have the highest trading volume. This is very important. Look at it here. From 128 million users in 2024, it has surpassed 200 million, and it have the highest trading volume in the world. And for me, it is the best cryptocurrency exchange. For me, it is my own personal opinion. And right here, Breadth have begun to pump all the way to the upside. And the exact day we see this very pump was on the 20th of August 2024. Market pump all to the upside. And that was the exact day Binance announced this very Breadth USD perpetual futures contract on their platform. What this means is that as Binance prepare to list Breadth on their platform, that is on spot, this market is going to skyrocket all the way to the upside. So better for investors, this is the best time to buy Breadth right now and wait for that aggressive pump to come into the market, which I am expecting in the next coming days. Now, Breadth is on the Base network or the Base blockchain. And right now, if you look at the market cap, this is $922 million. And the max supply is 10 billion. This is very important. So we have 10 billion max supply at this very point. The circulating supply right here, which is 9.9 billion, is equal to the total supply also at this very point. So these are important parameters. If you look at the market right now that Breadth is listed on, we don't have Binance here because it is not on spot. So when Binance lists Breadth on spot, I am looking at the maximum 2 months, my own personal opinion, market is going to skyrocket from here all the way to the upside. So the best thing for you to do right now as an investor, or if you want to invest, or as a holder, to wait for that aggressive pump from here to the upside. Or if you want to buy, this is the best time to buy because it is very, very low. Market is going to from here move all the way to the upside. Another important thing in this very video is the stochastic RSI indicator. If you look at this indicator, market is already creating a divergence. And the way I do my divergence is to consider the close of the candle. For example, if I pick the close, that is the last close right here, to the last close at this very point, so from this very area to this very point, see the market drop a little bit to the downside. And if you pick the same point on the indicator, so from this very point at oversold condition to this very area where we see a crossover and market begin to move all the way to the upside, And the reason why I consider this good is because it's still below the 50% line on the stochastic RSI. So if you look at it, this is a bullish divergence on the 1-day chart already. And what this means is that market is going to move all the way to the upside. And my own personal expectation from fundamental analysis from Binance, listing this very coin very soon on spot, market is going to from here move all the way to the upside, and then technically market is also going to move all the way to the upside. Now another technical parameter we need to look out for is this very line of important resistance, and market, for this to obey perfectly well this very divergence, which is a bullish divergence, we need to see the market move all the way to the upside and break this very important level of resistance trend line. Once you see that breakout, market is going to continue this movement all the way to the upside. And this is my own personal expectation. But based on the fundamental outlook that Binance is going to very soon list this very token, which is a meme token, on the spot platform, I am betting hard on breadth right now and adding breadth to my portfolio the more, because market is going to from here move all the way to the upside. And what this means is that liquidity is going to flow into this very meme token. So if Binance have 200 million user already, it means that this meme token is going to be exposed to 200 million users. And what that means is that more people are going to get to know about the token and also have interest of buying this very token. And what that means is that money is going to flow into it, and market is going to move the price all the way to the upside as a result of new buy pressure. And this is very important, and what you need to pay attention to as an investor. I always say that if you want to invest in any meme token, invest early, okay, before it begins to move into major exchanges. So the best time to buy bread is right now. And if you are seeing this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like for this very video if you like content like this. And market is going to move all the way from here to the upside. Another thing that I am also looking out for is very important. If you look at the 1 week chart, the 1 week chart does not show us anything on the stochastic RSI indicator. What that means is that market have high capacity of moving all the way to the upside. We just have this piece of chart right here. But if you take the Fibonacci retracement tool from where the market started from here at this very point to this very area right here, it discovered that the market is already at the golden pocket, this very area right here, and rejection from this very level of 0.786 on the Fibonacci retracement tool, market is going to move all the way from here to the upside. I am expecting that market begin to move from here to the upside in the next coming days, and maximum 2 months for Binance to get this bread token listing on their spot exchange. This is very important right now for all bread holders and investors, and it's going to make a lot of us rich, and we're going to make massive money from this very pump that is coming into the market right now. So what you need to do, if you want to buy bread, the best time to buy is at this very point before the market skyrockets all the way to the upside. Another thing that is going to fuel the price of bread moving to the upside is if we see the price of Bitcoin move upward, okay? And that is very likely. And this is very important right now, guys. Please pay attention to this very movement coming to the market right now as a crypto investor and trader. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.